This is the 2018 Toyota Sienna XLE with all-wheel drive. It has just under 42,000 kilometers on the odometer, and under the hood you have a 3.5-liter V6 engine putting out 296 horsepower and has 263 pound-feet of torque. Taking a look at the interior of this Sienna, you have power mirrors, power locks, and power windows. You also have storage along the bottom of the door. And down here you have your power driver seat controls with power lumbar support, and your interior seating is a light gray leather. And we'll take a look at the odometer here. And this van is push button start, so we'll start it up. You can see there we have 41,758 kilometers. Over to the left, you have your dial for your headlights and fog lights. Beside that, you have your controls for your rear push-out windows, as well as traction control and your rear parking sensor on and off button. Storage compartment here, power door on and off button. And on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth audio and volume controls. And on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your display by the gauges, as well as your lane departure on and off, and your radar cruise controls. In the middle here, you have your AM/FM radio, as well satellite radio, USB, and auxiliary in. Also have onboard navigation, as well backup camera with rear parking sensors. As we move down, you have your dual zone climate controls, as well as your rear climate controls, and this is an automatic transmission. You also have your heated driver and passenger seating. You'll also find your USB port and auxiliary in and power outlet. Storage down below, as well as another power outlet. In the center console, lots of storage. Up on top, you have your moonroof. And as you can see, the interior is in great shape. You also have your auto-dimming rear view mirror there with built-in HomeLink. And up on top you have your controls for your dual power sliding doors and your power liftgate. Taking a closer look at the exterior, you have your Bridgestone tires on 18-inch alloy rims by Toyota. And we'll take a look at the tire tread there. And we'll check out the rear of the vehicle. You do have intelligent access on the front driver and passenger door handles, your rear privacy glass as well, roof rails on top. You have your XLE and all-wheel drive badges. You can see your rear parking sensors as well. And this van does feature a power liftgate. So to open that up, you can just hold down the button on the key fob. It will open up for you. Lots of cargo space here in the back. Your rear seats do fold down for extra storage, either forward or into the floor. You also have a light and power outlet for your convenience. And you do have dual power sliding doors, which you can access via pulling the door handle or on the key fob. You have captain's chairs for the second row, lots of legroom as well, and storage along the back of the passenger and the driver's seat, as well 2 USB ports and a power outlet, as well pop down cup holders. As you can see, the rear interior also in great condition. Pull-up sunshades on both sides as well. Up top you can see your rear climate controls. And to access the third row seating, you pull up on the lever here and push the seat forward. you have access to your third row seating, which as you can see, also in great condition. So that has been a quick walkthrough of the 2018 Toyota Sienna XLE with all-wheel drive. And if you go online to parkmazda.ca, you can fill out a test drive form, come on down for a test drive, and we'll hook you up with a $25 Visa gift card or 50 Air Miles reward miles. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.